Welcome everyone. Recently I bought a used laptop and came across a problem in 2 to 3 days of use regarding the sound, that it shows no audio devices installed and the speaker and the microphone is not working. If this is the case in your site or you are facing the same problem, we are going to see what are the causes and what are the solutions. There are several causes and several solutions. Some might work for you, some might not. So let's get started. First of all, we will run a troubleshooting test. To do so, search it in the search menu, troubleshoot, and you will see somewhere here this, find and fix problems with playing sound. Just click on it and click next, and it will start detecting the problems. After a few minutes you will get a report what the issue might be. If it can fix the issue, it will automatically fix it. Otherwise we can do it manually. Just wait and see. As you can see, the troubleshooting step has completed, and it shows the audio peripheral doesn't appear to be plugged in. But this cannot be possible as it is a laptop and we cannot disconnect the audio device. This might be because the audio speakers or microphone is disconnected or disabled. Sorry, not disconnected, disabled. To check, we are going to go to control panel and search here for sound. Click here, and in this menu, as you can see that my audio device name is not showing here, mean it is not disabled. There is something else causing the issue. We can also check whether the audio service is running or not. To do so, we are going to navigate to the services tab, services application, and here we are going to go to the Windows Audio service and double click on it and see whether it is running or not. As you can see, service status is running. If it is stop for you, you can start it from here and make sure it is set to automatic. Just apply it and OK. If this doesn't fix your problem, then we can try updating the device drivers. To do so, just come to the device manager by right clicking the Windows icon and clicking the device manager. You can also search it at the search bar here. Just scroll down, find sound, video and game controllers. As you can see here, sound display audio is showing. We can right click, update driver and search automatically. As you can see, it is already installed. We can also try updating it using browse my computer. Let me pick and double clicking here. If it is causing the issue, it will be fixed. Otherwise, we can jump to the next step. As you can see, it is updated. Now we will see if it solved the problem or not. As you can see, it didn't solve our problem. So the next step is to see whether any latest updates are available or not about the sound drivers. The Windows Device Manager doesn't always provide up-to-date device driver information, so we can use a external device driver updater like driver booster or any else of your choice. Just open it and scan for the drivers update. If you want to know how to properly and legitimately upgrade driver booster any version to the pro version for unlimited time, you can comment it and I will make a video on how to. As you can see, it has done scanning and there is no update for the device driver. As you can see, the problem is still the same and isn't fixed. So the issue and the method that worked for me was that I updated this particular device driver to the latest version. As you can see, this device cannot start, fail to load external libraries. This is causing the main issue. So to fix it, we will roll back the driver either from here or we can update driver here. Click here, browse my computer, let me pick from a list and click here to the 2020 or the earlier version then the latest version. As you can see, I have installed the 2021 model, 2021 version. That is causing the issue. It might not be supported or there might be any manufacturing fault or etc. So we are going to roll back driver by double clicking it. If you didn't find this option, you can also search it here in the Microsoft Edge. You can type in the driver name and search it. As you can see, Windows have finished installing the drivers for this device and you can see the sound has returned. We can now do anything we want. We are going to close it and close from here, and as a proof I am going to also show you the sound panel that the microphone and speaker has returned. As you can see, this is the speakers and this is the microphone. So thank you for watching. If this helped, you can like and subscribe and also comment that it helped. Or if it didn't help, you can also comment what the problem you are facing is and I will try to solve it for you. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.